Hello friends, this is day 5. Today we are going to do sort 0 as 1s and 2s. This is of difficulty medium. This is also called dust flag question. So today we'll be doing this. So we're given an array and we have to sort it, and we cannot use the inbuilt sort function. So first approach that I can think of or would be thinkable is we'll count the number of zeros, ones and twos, and then fill back the array again with the right count. Other approach would be the second approach would be we'll take a pointer here which will give us which will be called next 0, and we'll give the position of next 0, and we'll take a pointer here which will be next of 2, and it will be giving us the next position for t, and then we'll be looping over this array using an iterator I, and every time we get 0 we swap it with whatever element that is present on next of 0. Every time we get 2 we're gonna swap that with whatever element is present on next of 2. So we'll be running over a while loop, and we'll take iterate I from 0 to next of 2, because if you again do it for 2 it will just again swap 2 with the, see for example, if we have 0 1, okay, 2 zeros, 1 1 and 2 2. Now next of 2 would be here. So if I is greater than next of 2, then what will happen is it will swap this with next of 2, and our answer would be incorrect. This is the approach, and now we'll be just writing down the code. So as mentioned, we'll have next of 0 is equals to 0, int n is equals to arr dot length, and next of 2 is equals to n minus 1. Now int I is equals to 0 while I is less than equal to next of 2. What we'll do is we'll check if array of I is equals to 0, then we'll swap next of 0 I and arr, next of 0 plus plus, and we'll also increase the I in this case. Else if arr of I is equals to 2, in that case we'll swap next of 2 comma I comma arr, and we'll also decrease the next of 2 because we'll be getting the next value on that in x, and if none of that is true we'll just simply do I plus plus. We also have to write a swap function int I, int j, int arr, int t is equals to arr of I, arr of I is equals to arr of j, arr of j is equals to t. I think this is the code looks good to me. We'll simply do compilation. As the test is passing, let me just submit. And the test pass. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you're also following the same questions.